It's crazy to think that exactly on this date, 2 years ago, we posted this video thanking you all for 800 subscribers. This morning, I was stoked to wake up to see that we hit the 10,000 subscriber mark. I want to say a massive thank you to all of you. You've been a great support to this channel, and I'm super excited to see what the future holds for our channel. And I want to know in the comment section below why you guys started to follow us in the first place. Was it for wedding photography and videography? Was it for gear reviews, our lifestyle? Let me know down below. And what more do you want to see? I really want to put out content that is helpful, educational, helps you get ahead in your business or just in your hobby alone. Now, many of you know that Rebecca and I are full-time wedding photographers and videographers, so the majority of our year is taken up with our work, and that is why for the last 2 years I've only been able to put out content consistently for about 4 months of the year. So I do apologize for that, but moving forward, 2024, I'm going to change things up a bit. Now, I want to be consistent with you guys because with any type of relationship, if you lack in consistency, the relationship starts to dissipate. So like with any friendship, you can text as much as you want saying, hey, we should hang out, but if you don't actually make the time to meet with one another, that relationship will start to fizzle out. So hold me to it, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. Follow us along on Instagram or TikTok, wherever your preferred platform is. We want to connect with you, and I'll see you in the next video.